Hello, welcome to my presentation. I am Rohit Bilidalakempaya, studying my Masters in Cybersecurity, and my research topic is Security Control Automation for Cloud System Launch. Table of Contents. To begin with the introduction, followed by the reason for research, literature review, and methodology. Introduction. The cloud computing aggravates the stated problem. Users are still reluctant to move the critical and sensitive data to the cloud until all the security challenges are addressed. In cloud architectures, there is a confidentiality, integrity, and availability. The relative increasing growth of the cloud computing makes it an easy target for the security threats, and the aim here is to assess the state of the cloud security automation process. Cloud offers many benefits. However, these automation benefits are not appropriately used in the cloud system, resulting in the reputational damage, potential loss of business, and higher costs. This leads to the vulnerability causing more security problems. The overall security automation across all layers of cloud architecture need to be implemented to view all the security concerns in a single dashboard for the ease of management. The security automation makes the cloud infrastructure teams to focus on critical issues in the cloud architecture instead of known threats and will satisfy cybersecurity requirements in the cloud system. Reasons for research. There are extensive cloud deployments as private, community, public, and hybrid cloud. As cloud services have a complex structure, many institutions are facing threats such as ransomware, DOS and DDoS, data loss, etc., that are affecting confidentiality, integrity, availability, and traceability of the resources in the cloud system. There have been many solutions model proposed in order to solve these security concerns in the cloud computing. The security requirement in current cloud system are manually translated into controls, and such an approach is labor intensive and prone to misconfigurations. It is very important to automate the security in cloud systems, which will reduce the detection time and increase the response to threats in cloud infrastructure. In order to achieve the robustness and dependability, security automation frameworks needs to be set up for handling potential security issues during the cloud system launches. Literature review. The literature review provides an overview of how the security automation challenges relevant to the cloud security and points out consideration that organizations should weigh when mitigating security threats affecting data, applications, and infrastructure in a cloud environment. The first is to develop a cloud security automation with the three subcategories: security parameters, privacy and security controls, and standards as shown below. The proposed cloud security management architecture is shown in the figure below. In the architecture, based on the user-specific requirements of the needed definition, the classification process assigns the specific security controls to the virtual machine, and the associated template is selected based on the role across parameter: host, data, application, network, and access. This implementation of the specific control for an assigned virtual machine is mapped against the baseline, and if any violation to the set security control triggers an anomaly for the risk and provides protection against this deviation. Therefore, the security automation ensures that there is an auto workflow for security threats, provides privacy, makes the environment more controlled, and mitigation of risks. Methodology. This section provides the cloud security automation, including key analysis of the research. It includes the steps that can be used as a basis of evaluating the security level in the cloud environment. It discusses how threats and technology risks can be automated for better utilization of resources. The cloud automation methodologies is based on predefined templates for security control system and is implemented for a specific control for an assigned virtual machine. In cloud security, automation, the focus is on automation and semi-automation of actions when detecting a security control violations, and these controls are set by predefined templates. The methodology shown below is based on the user-specific requirements of the needed definition. The classification process assigns the specific security control to the virtual machine, and our associated template is selected based on the role across parameter like host, data, application, network, and access. In the proposed cloud security automation management methodologies, security is included across all the parameters of that helps in the availability of the cloud system in a secure way. Methodology continued. The three main concepts are data collection and processing module, verification module for standards and dashboards, and reporting module. In the following diagram, different engines are described inside the data collection and processing module. The security module identifies the sources of required data for a list of security controls. The event interceptor intercepts each management operation requested by the user in the cloud infrastructure system. The data collection engine interacts mainly with the cloud management system, the cloud infrastructure system, and the elements in the data center infrastructure to collect various types of audit data. Then the data processing engine aids to build the correlation and to uniform the collected data. Finally, the dashboard and reporting module interacts with the cloud system through the dashboard to obtain the system requirement and to provide the system with the verification results in the report. The system is designed with the aim of giving user a helping hand in carrying out their activities on the cloud network. The tool provides a user to log into the dashboard directly there by giving a hand to the level of security. The security automation considers all the control across these different layers to detect and protect against the threats. The centralized dashboard provides all the violation and actions taken for remediation of risks. This helps the user to have a strong trust on the cloud system security and able to increase the adoption of the cloud system across the service models. Thank you.